With creativity and innovation, shipping containers can be modified to construct amazing modern homes. In this video, we bring to you an amazing contemporary house built using 7 shipping containers with panoramic vistas located in Quilimari, Chile. Welcome back. This unique container house in Chile is built using 7 shipping containers. The containers were prefabricated in a local workshop, then trucked on site and hoisted onto the foundations for final interior fittings. 6 20-foot high cube containers were used to assemble the lower floor of the house. The lower level creates the public area of the house, and it's extended by means of a glazed facade towards the view of the valley and the distant sea. Strongly oriented to the south, the architects developed a linear skylight close to the north wall to provide sunlight to the interior of the house. For the second floor, an entire 40-foot container was used for the bedrooms. This container extends beyond the lid of the first floor with a generous overhang. To achieve a comfortable habitability, one of the container's side panels was removed to attach a V-shaped extension that added 150 centimeters to the west point bay. An exhaust structure lined with 2x2s impregnated pine in a proportion of 50% full was installed. This helps to shade and avoid overheating in the summer season when the house is most used. The entire frontage of the lower level of the house is fitted with a steel frame enclosing an open terrace to extend the living space to the outdoors. The living area features an open, spacious, sleek, high-end kitchen which is completely open to the family room over a long island that overlooks the beautiful outdoor space. This modern style kitchen is decorated in black tones and comes with all essential appliances with enough storage. The lounge area past the kitchen is assured year-round warmth by the wood burning stove. The lounge space is roomy enough to accommodate all the furniture for lounging and entertaining. From the living area, there are 2 spacious bedrooms with single beds. These bedrooms are serviced using a shared bathroom that has a glass enclosed shower stall, a toilet, and modern wash hand basin. A steel staircase leads to the upper floor of the house, which accommodates 2 bedrooms on the opposite ends of the container and a bathroom in the middle. On one end is the master bedroom. The master bedroom features a double bed with bedside lamps, a closet, and enough space for you to add a personal touch to make the room really cozy. The room is fitted with full-height glass windows which offer incredible views of the landscape. The master bathroom opens onto a private terrace where you can relax and enjoy the breathtaking views. On the opposite end is the second bedroom, fitted with 2 comfortable single beds and a closet. Hardwood floors have been used throughout the home to bring out a touch of elegance and add a bit of warmth to the interiors. The house is designed with a spacious wooden terrace stretching the entire frontage of the ground floor level. This is suitable for enjoying the breathtaking attractions of the valley and the distant sea, or as a nice outdoor space to enjoy family barbecue. Upper floor is cladded with wood, which gives the house a nice contemporary look, enhancing the visual aesthetics of the entire building. We love the amount of creativity employed in this particular design. Which part of this amazing house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, as usual, you are encouraged to give it a thumbs up, to help our video get recommended to many viewers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.